History of ornament making. In this session, we are going to learn about the history of ornament making. Ancient Indian jewelry mainly included natural materials like feathers, seeds, leaves, flowers, animal bones, and claws. Even today, these types of jewelry are worn by various tribal people. Since ancient times, jewelry has been an important component of Indian life. Welcome. Jewelry is considered as one of the earliest art forms designed by man. In fact, various messages were conveyed by Indian jewelry. In the early days, people even communicated the message of various emotions. At the end of the session, you will be able to know what is handmade jewelry, what is the history of ornaments during ancient time, and what is artificial jewelry. Handmade jewelry is jewelry assembled and formed by hand rather than through the use of machines. The history of ornament begins with the beginning of humanity, and it developed along with human development. In ancient times, humans used to wear ornaments made of wood, stone, mud, skeleton, etc. They shaped these things and used it as ornaments. These things are less affected by decomposition, corrosion, etc., and that is why they preferred these things to make ornaments. As time passed, people thought about the beauty in ornaments, which led to use of glittering materials such as aluminium, gold, silver, diamond to make ornaments, and the ornament industry began to grow slowly. As time passed, wearing ornaments became a fashion among people. To catch the attention of others, to have an elegant look, we wear expensive ornaments, which boomed the growth of the ornament industry. However, the cost of ornament metals is increased, which has made man to resort to artificial jewelry. Artificial jewelry are jewels made of glittering materials which look like metals used for making ornaments like gold, diamond, or silver. Though earlier, artificial jewelry was worn mainly by poor people, nowadays artificial jewelry is widely popular among all, as it looks good and is affordable. Normally, women are very fond of wearing all sorts of ornaments made from gold and silver. More so, Indian women. It is said that more than 40% of the gold products in the world is bought by Indians. The price of gold is increasing day by day. Increase in the price of gold and silver is one of the reasons for the growth of the artificial jewelry industry. As it is a constantly growing industry, we can manage to earn a good income by being a part of it. We are very sure that this course will really benefit you and lead you towards a happy and prosperous life.